The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to be unveiled at a special event on February 1, along with the rest of the Galaxy S23 family. So at this point, that's not even official, but today we have a new rumor about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S23 Ultra successor, which will land in early 2024. According to prolific leakster S24, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will replace the telephoto sensor used in its predecessors and adopt a new solution. While S24 doesn't mention which telephoto sensor this concerns, we assume it's the periscope zoom one. Then again, the renewal could apply to both that and the 3x zoom module. On the other hand, the main camera in the S24 Ultra is said to either remain the same as in the S23 Ultra or only be slightly changed. Nothing too significant. While the upcoming S23 Ultra has been rumored to keep the same zooming hardware as its predecessor, the S22 Ultra, the image quality was rumored to improve thanks to better color science and AI algorithms. That information, by the way, came from the same S24. So it looks like the S23 Ultra will improve zoom image quality somewhat, while the S24 Ultra may be bringing us some really revolutionary new tech if we wait one more year. On the other hand, when it comes to the main camera, the big change will happen in 2023 with a new 200-megapixel sensor, which will be used in 2024 too, either in identical or slightly altered form. Needless to say, you should definitely take all of this with a healthy dose of skepticism, given how far away we currently are from the eventual release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It would be intriguing if it all pans out in the end, though. What do you think about the upcoming S24 Ultra new telephoto sensor? It will be game-changing. Give your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to Mobile Versus. Thanks for watching.